Hi guys, surprised? I was looking through my statistics on YouTube and guess which movie is the most popular. A movie from 3 years ago about doing do-it-yourself Mohawk haircut. I guess everybody's sitting at home right now and they can do a more crazy haircut, but since the barbershops are closed down, people are looking for a method to do it themselves. So the method was quite simple. You can see that old movie in the link below. Generally, you put a piece of tape on your head and then shave off the rest, which is not covered. I also dusted off my, supposedly Japanese, but bought on AliExpress in China, colorizing gels. If you like one like that, you'll find the link below. Although the delivery time is something like 1 month. So hopefully a month from now, the restrictions will be released and we no longer will have to be sitting at home. But nevertheless, it's worth having. Always some change. You can surprise your wife so she isn't bored looking at you 24 hours per day. Always some change. So that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again soon. And if you went for a crazy haircut yourself, post a link below in the comments. It can be to a YouTube video, it can be to a picture on your Facebook account. I think everyone will be really happy to see it. Cheers.